Hello and welcome back to the channel. Really glad to have you here. If you're new to the channel, feel free to scroll and check out the videos. We do daily videos with regards to do with holistic approaches, herbal remedies and recipes that have been tried and tested, as well as some vlogs that you might enjoy as well. So in today's video, taking you for a short tour around in the local crystal shop while we talk about living with crystals, some tips and tricks to use crystals around your home, in the bedroom, in the office, and in the bathroom and living room. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Crystals play a vital role in making your environment beautiful wherever you are. You may choose them for their beauty or for a particular function that is relevant to you and your living space. Crystals can also be used as a decor, and they're usually used to help balance out the energies, to help remove negative energy, as well as promote positive energy and clarity, and just basically induce love in the environment. So different crystals have their own different functions, as we spoke about in the previous videos, and you might want to check out the playlist that we've done with regards to do with crystals and their uses and benefits, and a couple of different guided meditation that you might want to follow, and I'll link the playlist in the description below. So here are some ideas for placing and using crystals in your home. With regards to do with the bedroom, it's worth saying that too many crystals in the bedroom may not be a good idea. Because it's really that you really want to relax and sleep in there, so too many amplified energies may not really help. Having said that, stones like tiger's eye, amethyst, and rose quartz are said to be gentle and restful to have around you, so perhaps by your bedside. So in the children's bedroom, it might be a good idea to have a gentle blue stone like celestite. It also helps to bring a sense of calm and peace. In the study or office, here in this area, the electromagnetic radiations from computers are really the main issue. So stones like smoky quartz and amethyst, as well as shungite, can really be used to help maintain a balanced environment. So try placing a stone on top of your monitor, for example. If you have a meeting, you may feel really challenged. You might want to place a large piece of rose quartz in the middle of the table to really help calm the energies. If you need inspiration, a beautiful clear quartz cluster is a wonderful complex, light-filled shape to help you concentrate on clearing your mind for new ideas. Stones that sit constantly in an electronic environment will need to be cleaned regularly. So make sure that you do the right cleansing based on what crystal you have, and we've talked about the methods of cleansing, including salt water, moonlight, sunlight, in the previous video. You might want to check that out. Also, when it comes to the bathroom, so in the bathroom, you want to maintain that restful, relaxed environment. So it may be a good idea to put smooth, little polished crystals in the bath with you if you have a bath. Water is a really great conductor, so the bath will be gently energized by the crystals that you will place. And make sure that you do your research properly, because some crystals cannot be mixed with water, and also some crystals can be toxic if you have them in direct contact with water that you wash. So make sure that you follow the right instructions. Also, when it comes to using crystals in the bath water, we've got rose quartz, carnelian, citrine, amethyst, or tiger's eye. Really good to include in your bath water or place in the bathroom in general. Place the crystals in the bath, run the water, and add 2 or 3 drops of an essential oil like lavender or frankincense. Start by lighting a candle on the windowsill and lie back for a lovely, relaxing soak. So last of all, when it comes to the living room, you may wish to create a special space for your crystals. So a really good idea is to set aside a particular table covered with silk cloth with a beautiful candle in a holder, a vase for fresh flowers, and an incense holder, as well as your stones. So in India and other countries, many houses have their own small shrines, which are tended to daily. A beautiful arrangement of crystals, candles, and fresh flowers is an attractive focal point, and also helps to provide a wonderful energy for your living room. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please let us know in the comments below what crystals do you use in your living space. If you've enjoyed today's video, do give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.